morning guys. We are now in Popping Billy. Sasakay tayo ng train ngayon guys. Tayo tayo. Yan guys. Popping Billy for today. Sarado pa yung mga tindahan guys. Welcome to Popping Billy. Here we go. With Ate Lloyds. Okay, let's go inside. Our call time guys is 10 o'clock, but we came 1 hour early because we still need to get our tickets, and for sure mahaba ang pila dito. Popping Billy this way. So, pila muna kami guys para kunin namin yung ticket namin. Naka-online booking naman kami. Popping Billy guys. Dumadami na yung tao guys. Oh. Ayan. Ngayon yung ticketing office nila, yung booking office. So, we're going inside. May refreshments dito. Yeah, it's here. Coffee, toasties. Mga souvenirs, guys. Mga pangbata. Cute naman ang can opener nila guys. Ref magnets. Dito na kami sa loob guys. Waiting. Ito yung sasakyan namin. Open train. So, meron din namang toilet dito sa loob guys. Long ride ito. It's 1 hour ride. Mahaba ito guys. Getting ready guys. Sa labas na yung paa.
Once again, we thank you for visiting Popping Billy, Australia's premier preserve. Staying on our way.
We're going. Bye. See you later. Look at that, guys! I didn't see natakot ako dun ah. So guys, nandito na kami sa Menzies Creek. We're here. Menzies Creek. So, dumating na kami dito sa Menzies Creek, guys. So, mahina na yung takbo ng train, pero ang saya. Magandang experience. Kaya kung pumunta kayo dito, yan, magandang experience siya. Nabook lang namin yung ticket namin online. That's $42 per person. So you try it, guys, if you have time. And then pagdating nyo dun sa ticketing office, kailangan nyo ipakita yung reference number nyo or booking number para mabigyan kayo ng ticket if you book it online. Okay? So, pagdating nyo sa station, guys, mayroong coffee shop dito. Pwede kayong mag-coffee or mag-snacks. Tingnan natin, ha. Pasok tayo doon. Okay, let's go. So, madami ng tao, guys. So, ito yung parang museum nila. May display rin silang mga train. Nice. It's a train museum.
a pair, and they worked at a quarry, and that was connected to a rock crusher, and it crushed rock to make roads. So they were real working engines back in the day, and now the quarry's closed, and we collected the engines in the boiler and brought them here, collected some other types of engines. You've got this one here behind you. This was an electricity generator that was used by Kodak Photography to generate electricity for the developing of film. And it's the exact same type of engine that was used to generate electricity on the Titanic. So they had the same engines. Yeah.
Okay guys, meron silang little coffee shop din dito. So, tingnan natin kung anong binibenta nila dito. What's in the menu? Ay, may mga snacks sila guys. Yan. Sorry. Only coffee. You're gonna have coffee lang. Pero mahaba ang pila.